this is Teresa's mom, and Jerry, you look lovely, Jerry. Thanks for coming in. She represents people in their 60s and 70s and beyond, like my mom. Yes. Okay, what are your issues, buddy?
Wow. Talk about things. How about...
Jerry, you don't need to say another word. We got Jerry's thought bubble well.
Well.
Yeah, exactly.
Sagging.
Sagging.
Lies, yeah.
The worst sag.
The neck.
The chicken neck. The turkey neck, you know, when you shake your neck.
Every woman I know is so self-conscious about that, and I have one friend, she will not take a photograph unless she's wearing a scarf. No matter the season.
Yeah.
So true.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, that's what happens. So, you know, we've kind of progressed into our 60s and 70s, and our skin loses elasticity, and so that's what you see as sagging on the lower face, sagging on the neck. So we want to keep doing everything you were doing. We have the vitamin C, the cleanser, and then your nighttime routine is going to be the gentle cleanser plus peptides. So peptides are really important because what, and they say amino acids or amino peptide complex, but what they are little strings of amino acids that trick our skin into making new, tighter collagen, especially on the lower face and neck and chest. So for you, after you put on your gentle cleanser and your retinol, we're adding this little bit, and if you want to put some on your neck, it really feels so nice and moisturizing, and it helps, it does give you a little firming right away, but as you use it more and more, that's when you're going to see the collagen.
She's like,
yeah.
Good job, Doc.
My pleasure.